Okay guys, very well. So this video here is to finish the welcome unit. Okay, all the review that we have to do this this book, to work on this book. Okay, so I think here, because it's just to wrap up the unit with the information we saw throughout this unit, I think you guys can do the activity in your books, or on using the PDF file I sent you guys, and I'm going to show you guys the correction to the exercises here. Yeah. So here we have a blog by this girl Letty. Okay, she's talking about her experience in Bangkok. She talks about the food. She talks about the traffic that is so intense. Yeah. And here we have then one exercise about vocabulary. Okay, so we also about comprehension related to Letty's blog. So let's take a look here. Let's use these words to complete the sentence. Okay, so Letty's made a resolution to use her travel time well. Okay, she's thinking of taking up knitting. Okay, so take up an activity means to start some kind of activity like a hobby. In this case, knitting. Okay, she thinks she's going to struggle to learn Thai. Struggle means she's gonna need an extra effort. Okay, it's not gonna be an easy task to learn how to speak Thai. 3. She started learning already, but so far she isn't doing well. Okay, so she's not doing very well. She's not. Things are not working so fine for her. 4. Moving to another country is a chance to make some progress with language skills. Okay, so make progress to move forward. Yes, to develop your skills. 5. I love spicy food, so I could never give up eating hot peppers. To give up means to stop doing something permanently. Okay, I could never quit eating hot peppers. 6. I need to get in shape, so I'll have to change my ways. Okay, change my ways, talking about the way I live, my eating habits, and so on. And 7, I don't think I'm ever going to break my bad habits. To break a habit means to stop that habit permanently. Yes, so there you have it. She's thinking of taking up knitting. She's going to struggle. She isn't doing well. It's a chance to make some progress. I could never give up eating. I'll have to change my ways. I don't think I'm ever going to break my bad habits. Yeah, that's it. No problems here, guys. Check your answers, your books, and I think you can move forward. Exercise 1 about regrets. Okay. This is about is somewhat related to what we talked about the past perfect. Okay, you guys remember about the past perfect is when we use the verb had plus the past participle to talk about an action in the past that happened before another action in the past. Is the past of the past. Yes, like I had studied, I had been, I had gone, etc. But here we're gonna use these words. We're gonna use the past perfect with I wish or if only. Okay, to express regret. Okay, is a form of conditional. Okay, so you guys are familiar with the past perfect. Okay, had plus past participle. You just have to use here with I wish or if only to express regret. Okay, in this case, the regret is in relation to something that happened or that didn't happen in the past. Can we take a look here? Like for example here, number one, I wish someone had told me in advance that it would take me an hour to get from home to school every day. So what is the reality in the past? Nobody told her. She wishes someone had told her. Okay, so she's expressing what she would like the past, how she would like the past to be different. Okay, what's the reality? People didn't tell her. She wishes someone had told her. Can you see this? So that's it. So it's wish plus the past perfect, wish plus had plus past participle, to express a different past reality, to express a past alternative, what you would like the past to have been. Okay. Number two, one of my friends told me to try to learn some Thai before coming here. If only I had or I'd listened to him. Sorry. Okay, so one of my friends told me to try to learn some Thai before coming here. If only I'd listened, I had listened to him. So what's the reality? I didn't listen to my friend. I wish I had listened. If only I had listened. Okay, I am expressing here my regret because it was a bad idea not to learn some Thai. I wish I had learned some Thai. My life would be much easier right now. Okay, guys. So that's it. So we are using wish or if only plus the past perfect to express regret, to express a past alternative. Okay, something you would like, how you would like the past to have been. Yeah. So this last exercise, to finish our unit, we just have to complete the sentences using these verbs in the correct form. For example, I didn't see Jack before I left. I wish I'd said goodbye to him. I had said goodbye to him. I didn't say goodbye. I wish I'd said goodbye to him. Okay, that's it. So let's take a look here. Electronics here are really expensive. If only I'd brought a little more money. Okay, so what's the reality? I didn't bring money. If only I'd brought a little more money. Bring, brought. Okay. Two. I went to a party last night, and it was really hot. I wish I'd worn lighter clothes. Okay. So what's the reality? I didn't wear light clothes. I wish I'd worn lighter clothes. Yeah. 3. There are lots of beautiful temples here. If only I'd known something about Buddhism before coming here. Yeah. What's the reality? I didn't know anything. If only I had known something about Buddhism before coming here. And 4, our apartment here is really small. I wish my dad had found a bigger one. Okay, our apartment here is really small. I wish my dad had found a bigger one. So what's the reality? My dad found a small apartment. I wish he had found a bigger apartment. Yes, very well. So if only I'd brought, I wish I'd worn. If only I'd known, I wish my dad had found. Okay, so that's it, guys. We are using the past perfect with I wish plus if or if only to express regret. Okay, that's it, guys. So with this, we finish our welcome unit. Okay, this is a good start to our book. Okay, when we resume our lessons. Okay, we're going to keep working with the American Think Book. Okay, but it's a good way to review the information, take a look at the exercises, and watch the videos again if you guys have any questions, if you have any doubts, and if you want, you guys can send me you can send me an email. All right, I'll have my email in the in your study um, script. Yes, that's it, guys. Thanks so much. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, staying home, and that's it. See you guys as soon as possible. Bye bye, guys. Take it easy. See you.